for you. What's that? What is that? What is it?
Look, there's a little tent for you to play in. Stuff under the tree.
Look under the tree. What's that? Oops. Let me help. This is kind of heavy. There you go. Now try.
What's all this stuff? What's in there?
How cool! How cool is that? And a shopping cart. And there's a bow on it.
Yeah.
Because it's a present for you. Should we open up the one of these presents? This one maybe? Get to see this one? Maybe Dad will help.
Everybody. Want to open up a present?
Oh.
Here, look. Come open. Pull it off. Pull off the paper. Pull off the paper. Oh. Come here. Tear it off.
No, Dad. Maybe Dad'll do it and show you. Watch. Look what Dad's gonna do. Woo! Do you need something to open that?
It's food. I don't know. That might be a little, it's pretty tough plastic. Oh, wait.
All right, I'll get something.